Hi guys, I have taken sessions on psychic abilities as well as Earth mission by using different spreads. And today I'm going to show you how do we take the subconscious messages from our higher self in order for us to understand what exactly our higher self holds as subconscious memory. This particular intuitive channeling spread will help us understand where our higher self is heading to and what is the guidance that we can get from higher self to help us understand our psychic abilities as well as proceed with our earth mission or our soul purpose. This particular spread will help in assessing the capacities that we have, the psychic abilities that we have, as well as work on a particular mission which we are called to work for during this lifetime. This is basically a spread that will help in understanding deeply with respect to the psychic abilities as well as this earth mission we have or the soul purpose we have. So today I have taken 4 spreads, out of which the interpretations from the higher self are different in terms of the cards I've drawn as well as the messages. While we interpret those are all those are all can be used as guidance in terms of understanding our own capabilities and where our subconscious is standing now. Now the first spread I am going to show is King of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles. This is the message from the higher self for a particular group of people. Now King of Pentacles is a well established king having a foundation for himself, and these are all capabilities that could come from traveling in other dimensions like astral travel or having dreams or visions by connecting to other dimensions. They could have automatic writing skills, or they'll be able to intuitively understand premonitorily using the dreams and the messages they are getting to interpret from the foundation that they are already built or sitting on. But the current issue they are facing is Five of Pentacles. The message from the higher self is that you should not be worried about the lack mentality or the obstacles that you have right now which is around you. Instead of that, you should be focusing on the King of Pentacles, which is the true foundation you have. You will be having various gifts including automatic writing, astral travel, and having dreams of vision, premonitory dreams. You should be more focusing on what your dreams and goals are, because they can be course correction or guidance dreams that is coming to you, and you can hone those skills of automatic writing, or by interpreting your dreams you can actually go for fulfilling your wishes and dreams instead of focusing on the Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles is a lack card. It could be coming from the situation that is around you, and that could be a worry, or you should come out of those situations in order to establish a foundation for yourself, which you already have shown by the King of Pentacles card. So only thing that you need to do is, first thing is you need to come out of the situation, and second thing is you need to hone your skills so that you can establish a true foundation for yourselves using your gifts. Now the second spread I've drawn was Nine of Wands and the Moon card in reverse. Nine of Wands is in reverse, and both the Moon card, Nine of Wands, both of them are in reverse. Now, since both of the cards are in reverse, there is a lot of lack of clarity that is there in your current situation, which you need to come out of. There will be issues that are trying to reflect in your subconscious as either messages or visions that is coming to you, because you might be having capabilities which you are not able to break through. Now, because these cards, both of these cards are in reverse, the Nine of Wands is a confusion card. Moon is also a confusion card. Both cards shows that there are secrets that need to be unfolded from these realms. Moon card as well as the Nine of Wands shows that there is things that are unknown or secret realms that need to be explored. Now, since both of these cards are in reverse, it conveys that this is something that you will be able to overcome if you just follow the spirit guidance, because the spirit will always try to channel you something from other dimensions which you are already acting upon. That is what these cards are showing, and these are interpretation messages, or what are the messages given by your higher self. So unless we take a reading on their particular scenario that they are facing, like the particular earth mission they are planning to do, or say those psychic capabilities they have already, will not be able to correctly interpret these messages from the higher self as they are subconscious messages. Now the third tarot spread I got was Three of Swords, Four of Swords, and Page of Swords. Now Three of Swords means that there is mental telepathy that is happening between Three of Swords, though it means that there is a broken heart. It shows that you have a gift of mental telepathy that is happening with people whom you are associated to. It could be those beings of light or people who are entangled to. Four of Swords card means that you are able to channel data or information from other realms while you sleep, or with the help of your dreams you are able to download information from other dimensions. Both Three of Swords and Four of Swords, though they are swords card, they show that you have the capabilities of using telepathy with people who are connected to you, and you are capable of downloading information or messages from other realms or other dimensions, shown by the Four of Swords card. Now the third card I got was Page of Swords, which shows that you have everything, all this information within you, but you are not able to provide it to others, or not being able to open up yourself about the abilities that you have, which could be a problem. Because suppose you are having a relationship you will be closed off to the relationship, though you are having these gifts of telepathy and downloading uh, messages or information from other dimensions. Now this is something that needs to be taken care of, because this is a gift that you have, and unless you use these gifts for the help of others or by promoting those, you will not be able to break this barrier shown by the Page of Swords card, because this Page of Swords card is like being closed off to yourself. You need to open up to others in order to hone these gifts of telepathy and collecting data through dreams from other dimensions. So unless you work on those and try to open up yourself to these abilities that you have, it will not help you in terms of using those to promote your gifts or being in the service of others. So that is the message from the higher self shown by those cards. Now I have taken a fourth spread which has King of Wands and High Priestess. High Priestess is in reverse and King of Wands. And then we have 8 of Swords and 10 of Swords. These are typical, this is a message from the higher self, but the message from the higher self contains a situation which is very typical, shown by the 10 of Swords and the 8 of Swords card. The 10 of Swords card happens during the difficult ending of a cycle. And there is a cycle or a relationship that needs to be closed out completely, and you are not able to move or able to move freely to work on yourself, shown by this 8 of Swords card. Though you are a passionate king, shown by the King of Wands card. A King of Wands is someone who knows exactly what his passions and dreams are. And the High Priestess card is also there, which is in reverse. So the King of Wands card and the High Priestess is an excellent combination of a person, of a king who is passionate and dreamy about what he wants to do in life. But despite of the fact that both are there, he has a situation to close, shown by the 10 of Swords card, and he is unable to close it, shown by the 8 of Swords card, which is why this High Priestess has come in reverse. Now High Priestess is a card which helps someone know exactly what he wants to do in life in order to achieve his passionate desires and goals, which is shown by the King of Wands card. But because he has a cycle to close, cycle to end, basically he is not able to move. That is a message from the higher self. So this is a very good example of a person who is in a typical situation where he needs to take action on closing out the cycle first, so that once he closes out the cycle, he will be able to move out of this difficult 8 of Swords situation. And then what will happen is, along with this King of Wands card, his High Priestess card will come as the reverse card will become upright. The High Priestess will become upright, and the King of Wands will be directed when the High Priestess become upright, when he come out of this 8 of Swords situation. So this is something. So we were basically trying to compare the messages, various messages that was coming from higher self, and each messages had its own interpretation. Now, for example, with the 9 of Wands and the Moon card in reverse, a 9 of Wands and both Moon card was in reverse. So that I couldn't interpret much on the particular issue that the person was facing, because it shows that 9 of Wands is a difficult card because he is unable to move in clarity, and even the Moon card was in reverse. Both are about mysterious or secrets that are not being clear. So at that situation, we will not be able to do much, but still that can be taken as a guidance from the higher self. Whereas this last spread, where I got King of Wands and High Priestess, and the Eight of Swords and Ten of Swords, we could easily follow that if that person closes the cycle shown by the Ten of Swords card, he'll be able to passionately move forward for his wishes and desires. Now, when it comes to gifts, mostly the third spread I drew, shown by this Three of Swords and Four of Swords card, and the Page of Swords card. This showed that the person would have been good with telepathy or communicating with other dimensions with the help of dreams. So that particular person, the message from the higher self was to instead of being the Page of Swords, he should be opening up to his gifts and abilities so that he'll be able to service others with his gifts. So those were the messages from the higher self. Now even the second spread, which was shown by the King of Pentacles, though he had a good foundation with gifts like astral travel and automatic writing, he was not able to pursue or follow his gifts because of the current situation he is in. So he should not get closed out due to the lack in the current situation. He should try to move out of those particular situations. So these are messages from higher self, and messages are what exactly is bridging the subconscious to the spirit realm, because your higher self is something connected to your astral body, and those messages from the higher self will help actually to bridge between the spirit from your astral realm to the subconscious mind. So these messages which are channeled using tarot will help you understand your soul path better and help you transmute energy in a better way so that you will be able to fulfill your soul's desire or your soul's wishes and dreams. So that is what is interpreted by these messages from higher self. Now, out of the four spreads, people were having different situations, and we need not worry about the energy that is being thrown by the cards, because normally that is how the messages from higher self is. For example, this Nine of Wands and Moon card, both were in reverse. Now actually Nine of Wands card is a difficult card which shows that you are not clear about what you want to do, and that is in reverse. And the Moon card was also about secrets, which is in reverse. So this is only an indication that these two will help you unravel the secrets about yourself and help you have a clearer path which you need to work on, because these are messages from the higher self which is coming from the spirit world to the subconscious. So the spirit is using the higher self to communicate to you. The spirit is communicating with the help of the higher self or the spirit guides. This is the point where you can go for another reading to know more about what exactly the spirit wants to communicate to you. So you can either go for a spirit guide meditation or do a intuitive channeling spread to understand what the spirit guides want to communicate to you, so that you will come to know better about what is the path that you need to go forward. Because for the other spreads, gifts and the other obstacles were clear for all the three spreads. Here he had telepathy, having dreams from other dimensions. Only thing is that he needed to get open up. Here he had a good foundation with astral travel and automatic rating, but he needed to just come out of the current situation that he was facing. And for the last situation, he was a passionate king with the High Priestess in reverse. He just needed to close out the cycle so that he come out of that Eight of Swords situation. Whereas for this spread, Nine of Wands and Moon card in reverse, the only thing that we can do is to do another spread to communicate with the spirit guides, to understand what is the messages that is being shown by the spirit with the help of guides, to help him choose a soul path that is suitable for him towards fulfilling his wishes and desires and move and work on his soul purpose.